In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on disappearing messages on Instagram. As usual in this channel, we don't waste your time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Let's get started right away. Open Instagram. Now, after opening Instagram, you want to locate that chat. I want you to follow every step here so you don't make any mistake that will jeopardize the whole process, okay? Now, when you look at the bottom of the screen, there are there are 5 buttons: the home screen button, the video button, the message button, the search button, and your profile picture. Now tap on the message button, that one that looks like an arrow pointing towards the right. Tap on it, then locate the chat for which you want to turn on the disappearing messages feature. Okay, now let's say I want to select this chat. After selecting the chat, just tap on it. Then at the very top, you will see buttons for customize, disappearing messages, chat controls, and so on and so forth. You are interested in disappearing messages, just tap on it. Then you want to select how long you want the messages to take before they disappear. Maybe you can select once they are seen, in every 24 hours, every 7 days, but most people like selecting once they are seen. So that person don't remain with their chats. Thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, please remember to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.